Morning guys, this is Sama from Yanzus and today we will discuss about the side determination of tibia. So basically tibia is the medial bone of the leg, you see. Okay, now remember on the anterior side there is a tuberosity known as tibial tuberosity and the sharp prominent border, you see this. Okay, and on the lower end you see a medial malleolus, this face medially as the name indicates. So okay, so this is upper end having two condyles and this is lower end and the shaft. So it's a typical long bone. So to determine the side, remember this will lies anteriorly and this border will lies anteriorly. Okay, and this will face medially. So this is of left side. Like if I turned it here, it is also medially, but it will be of right side. But remember the tibial tuberosity lies here posteriorly. So this is wrong. This is right. Anteriorly tibial tuberosity, sharp anterior border. Remember this process from the medial malleolus of your ankle. So this is of left side. Hope so you get the point. Jazakallah for watching.